Hi, welcome to the K&M show. I'm Kinsey, that's Madison.
I'm Madison. I'm behind the camera today.
Okay, and it's part 2 of exploding stuff in the microwave. So we're gonna do frosting and applesauce. See where this goes. Okay, watch it. 10 seconds.
Move. Kinsey. Didn't really do anything.
Applesauce does not do anything.
This probably gets warm.
Ew, it kind of melted.
Ew.
It kind of melted.
Ew, it's hot.
Throw it away.
Ew.
Okay.
Next frosting. We're gonna do frosting.
15 seconds. 15.
15? Yeah, we're gonna put it in there
1 and then the 5.
15 seconds and
Start. I'm not watching it. It's melting.
Hey, it melted.
It's like the Jello. We should have doubled it.
3, 2, 1.
It's bubbling!
Bubbles!
Okay, let's do it again.
No, Madison. Madison's a doo-doo. 5 seconds.
Watch it bubble.
Bubbles.
It's funny.
Okay.
Stupid.
Ew, it looks so delicious.
It looks like milk.
Whoa. We're spilling it.
Kinsey!
Oh, Nat. I'm gonna touch you, Nat.
Ooh, I made a
We
mess
didn't
of
have
the
much
sink.
luck today either.
Why are you washing it? You just throw it away. Shut up. I'm washing my paper towel.
We didn't have much luck today.
I'm gonna go put this in the laundry room. I'm just kidding.
We didn't have much luck.
No, so we gotta go. So.